my homies, we getting ready to party. I'm pulling up, we getting drunk, so I hope that you show me some love.
What's up, my entertainers? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, shake your butt. He want to look in the camera, look in the camera, look in the camera. He want to make an appearance, y'all. Listen, if y'all are new here, this your boy G.E.M.H, aka Mr. G.E.M.H. Let's do it again. If y'all are new here, this your boy G.E.M.H, aka Mr. G.E.M.H. And listen, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna try something new. For those who don't know, listen, you probably don't know because I probably haven't even mentioned it. I'm a foodie. I love good food, and I also like watching it too. You get what I'm saying? Because I know once I get done watching this video, I'm gonna be extremely hungry. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna have a little fun. And I didn't even think about like reacting to food. So let's try that. Maybe it'll make me happy. They say do things that make you happy, right? So that's what we're doing, man. Y'all ready? Let's get right to this video. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like and y'all subscribe to that channel so we can grow those big ass double D's. Man, I love mozzarella sticks. Okay, we got some noodles in the microwave. Man, wait, there ain't no way. Ooh, oh, that looks so good, man. Ooh, yeah, I gotta try that. But in the microwave, though, oh no, they look good, man. And we got some mozzarella cheese. I love mozzarella cheese. I know these gotta be cheese sticks. Yo, they cheese sticks. Wait. Chicken. Again, in the microwave. Really? What? Man, that looks so good. In the microwave though. So we got some butter. Butter make it taste better. And crackers. Okay, okay. Okay, this gotta be a sweet dish. He just tasted it's nasty. Again, the microwave. We can do all this in the microwave. Yeah, right. Man, it looks so good. Oh. Ooh, I love a good tortilla. Ooh, maybe we're gonna try that right now. Oh yeah, love a good quesadilla. Okay, okay, okay. I need a good blunt to watch this. You left out a chocolate. I don't know how that tastes though. Nah, that wasn't for me. Man, that ain't gonna fill me up though. That's what I'm saying though. So it's all just gotta be inside a cup though. Like, they look good as crap though, but that's not gonna fill me up. So I need another one. That was awesome, man. Like, Some of those little choices on there, man, I would definitely try out. And y'all let me know which one y'all try out. Cause I didn't know you can cook majority of stuff in the microwave. I tried to make eggs in the microwave. That was a complete fail because it don't taste the same, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video. If y'all like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If y'all want me to do more of this, y'all know what to do. Comment down below. Yo, this is the end of this video, and I'll see y'all on that next video. Peace.
Shawty got that good love, yeah, you got that. Shawty got that good love, yeah, they call it love. Shawty got that good love, yeah, you got that. Shawty got that good love, yeah, they call it love. I'm in my hoodie with my homies, we getting ready to party. I'm pulling up.